Fold. Before you start going and commenting stuff below, this is not an argument of logos. If Apple made this, you'd be okay with it. Apple doesn't make this. That's why I'm not okay with it. I'm just in a very calm mode right now. I don't want to completely tear about the Galaxy Fold and say it's a complete failure because it was recalled for a reason. Like it just started breaking after hardly 2 days of use. So yeah, in the previous video, that was when the Galaxy Fold was first released. So I definitely did not know about any of these problems. But when these started popping up of the screen getting damaged, of different layers of the screen that you can peel off. But I just don't know what Samsung was thinking when they were releasing this device, because they just made a phone with a plastic layer on top, and that plastic layer looks exactly like something you put on your phone, like a screen guard or a screen protector for that example. It looks very, very similar to that, and people would try to peel it off for sure. Like they would see something on their phone and like, I don't need that. They try to peel it off, and that's pretty natural. I mean, there's nothing wrong in that. Many people do that, and when you do that, you realize, oh, I just broke this device completely. Like really peeling off a piece of plastic from the screen, the whole phone breaks. I mean, there is a reason to that. I mean, it's not like they couldn't avoid that. They could have tried. They could have tried to even get rid of that layer, but of course they were not rushed to be Huawei to the Huawei Mate X, which is a much better looking foldable phone than the Galaxy Fold, because the bezels, yeah, I know. So 2010 of you, Samsung. So 2010. Yeah, anyways, getting back to that. If it's that easy to break, then you should be expecting some angry customers. Imagine you just took your Galaxy Fold out of the box and you saw something on it like a protector. You peeled it off and you're like, oh, this is fun. It's not working. One day you open up your Galaxy Fold and like, oh, strobe lights, this is fun. But the problem is, I'm going to make this video and then in the comments, there's going to be, yeah, it has this problem and it does this, and when you peel it off, it breaks, but it folds. Whenever I try to bring up something, like this literally what happens. You know the Galaxy Fold broke on the second day of use? Yeah, it's pretty unacceptable. No, but it still kind of broke, but it folds. The Galaxy Fold has a huge notch on the inside, but it folds. Every single argument that I try to bring up about the Galaxy Fold, and then this is the answer I get. If Apple made this, it would cost $5,000. Apple doesn't make this, and Apple probably will not make this. So yeah, all these add up to one thing. The Galaxy Fold is officially delayed. And those who ordered it off the Samsung's website, they will not be getting their phones. They will be sent in for a check, and then they will be somehow redesigned or refurbished. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but I think they should definitely redesign this phone and release in somewhere in 2025, because it's clearly not ready right now. There's a lot of problems with it, and I know it is kind of cool that your phone folds, but wasn't the whole point of folding phones to avoid the bezels? And Samsung's marketing doesn't help either. I mean, they made fun of the notch 2 years ago, and now they have a humongous notch that's 2 times bigger than the iPhone notch, so that's kind of ironic. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Apple Sheep here, and I will see you on the next one.